Okay, Tina, you got the train.
Yeah,
Oh, yay!
Yay!
Alright. What do we do? Spin. Alright. Here we go.
So that's going to be 1 point on the screen. And then you want to get the railroad signs to open up the other one. And every coin is a re-trigger. Come on, baby. Oh, come on.
Come on.
Okay, okay, okay.
Come on, baby. Drop a coin.
We want that train. We want that train symbol, so it'll open it up. And then you'll immediately get another one. Yeah.
When you get that one.
Oh, come on. Drop them low. You want that little dude too, but a coin is good. Saved it.
Alright, save that one. Do another one. Come on, baby.
Okay, come on.
Come on,
We need
baby.
that
Drop a
train
coin.
symbol, baby.
Alright. Drop a coin, baby.
We want that train symbol. Because you want those to open.
How do you get it to open?
You need this train symbol to fall down here.
Okay. Come on, train symbol.
Oh yes, look, now you're immediately going to get this one to open. So you're going to get all of those guys.
Oh, cool. Okay. Woo, yay!
If you get another one, it's immediately going to open all the way up. So it's going to boost your numbers.
This is too cute. Okay. Alright.
Okay, you want another train symbol to fall. Train or coin, or train symbol or coin.
Oh, so they do it every time.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. Alright, come on, baby. Drop a coin. Alright, oh, I get another boost. Oh, that's really cool.
Train. Another boost. We need that train symbol.
Come on, train symbol.
Yes!
There we go.
Now you might have it all the way up. You get the bonus feature at the end.
Do I
Because
really?
you immediately got it here, so you're gonna get it.
Oh, yay! Yay!
Okay, so keep going, Tina.
Alright.
Oh, she's doing so good. So you've already unlocked all the features. Now you just gotta fill the screen.
That is so cool.
Isn't that so fun?
Very cool. Oh, fun. Alright.
All right, keep going.
Another coin, baby. I like it that it gives you a boost even if you don't get anything. Alright.
All right.
Okay, come on. Another coin.
There you go. You saved it.
There we go.
How you doing over there, babe? No, you're good. She got down all the way to $3.20 before she hit a bonus. That's okay.
Come on. Another coin. Another coin.
Yep, she got the unlocked one.
I never played this before.
First time playing it.
It does.
Dad's doing something over there. Okay, come on, baby. You drop one more coin, you get a re-trigger.
Come on, baby.
We want, and also you want this guy.
Yeah.
He has a vacuum. He'll vacuum everything up on the screen, and it goes on to 1 coin.
Oh, wow.
So you want him. Let's get a vacuum. Come on, vacuum, babe. Get us a vacuum, dude.
Alright.
Not bad for a
This is
$20
so-
replay.
Not at all.
Come on, we want a vacuum. I want to see that vacuum.
Come on, baby. One more. There we go.
Yep, saved it.
Come on, baby. One more.
All she wrote. I want her to see the vacuum dude so bad.
Alright, come on. One more.
Right there in the bottom. Come on, buddy. That's missing all the fun.
I know. This is like so cool. Come on, baby. One more.
Does she immediately get the grand if she fills the screen?
Oh, wow. I don't know.
We want that dude to fall again. Come on, dude. I want her to see the vacuum option.
Alright, come on. One more.
Yes, come on, vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. Come on, vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. Say it, Tina. Vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. You want the vacuum?
Vacuum, vacuum.
Vacuum or train, vacuum or train, vacuum or train. Come on, come on, come on. Pull out a vacuum.
What are you?
Okay, he priced up all of it.
Alright, so what do you do?
Yep. Keep going.
Keep going.
We want him to come back with a vacuum or a train.
Okay.
Vacuum or a train.
Come on, coins. Need another coin.
The vacuum is so fun.
Alright. Alright, coin.
Come on, little dude. One more spin. You got 3 boosts. That's awesome. On a 75-cent bet. Minimum bet with $3.20 left from $20 free play.
Yeah, there we go.
Saved
There we
it.
go.
Oh my gosh, that is missing this. You're doing so good. Go get Dad. He's over there. I don't know if he's gonna come over. He's right there. Well, he can always still see the video, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so we get the grand and we leave him? I'm just kidding. We're not gonna leave Dad. Bet on Dad, bet on Tina.
Okay. This is really cool.
I'm so glad you got to see the bonus rounds. Okay, come on, vacuum. That's an $8 ball down there.
Drop it, drop it.
One more, come on. Wow, I can't even keep track how much money this is. You're getting boosted every time though.
Alright.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Drop something. Drop, drop, drop.
Okay,
Now remember,
That is
we
it.
get the final feature.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
You're not done yet.
This is so cool. Alright.
That was a 9-minute bonus round. Wow, look at that.
Wow. On 75 cents.
And you're not done yet. I think she's easily.
Oh, wow.
Good job
We're getting our nails.
on free play. Okay, ready? Press play. Get
Now
ready,
what?
Tina. It's about to get crazy.
Woo! Alright.
Everything you hit, you keep. Let's get a lot of coins. Come on, baby. Minnie!
Oh, cool.
$7. $3.
Alright, come on, baby. Let's get a major.
Yes, Tina!
Hi!
You did it! Good job, Tina! That was amazing!
And I started with
Few bucks.
I started with $7.
And then click that button.
How much? $128.
Woohoo! I'm so proud of you!